Everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss with you my makeup resolutions, like New Year's resolutions, but for makeup. I've never done this before and I thought, yeah, let's do some makeup resolutions. The only New Year's resolution I have come up with for me is to listen to my gut, do what my gut tells me. I have not done that here recently with a few things, and I am regretting it. So I'm going to, whatever my gut tells me, I'm going to do it. That's what I'm going to do all year. I'm not going to second guess anything, and we'll just see what that gets me. But I've already done that with some cosmetics. I have been buying mystery bundles. And you'll see some more coming up. If you haven't seen them already, there's more coming up. I love a good mystery bag. I really do. But I have to really like the brand, and or it's a good way to try out a brand. But I'm really leery about buying mystery bags sometimes. Like, I won't buy any more Jeffree Star mystery bags, and I'm not going to buy any more Huda Beauty, mainly because I've got the products I really want from those brands. So I will either get duplicates or things I don't want. So why bother? But I recently have purchased some Melt mystery bags and been just so happy. Well, I was looking online at different cosmetic lines, looking at what kind of sales were going on. And one of the makeup lines that I've been thinking about is Lethal Cosmetics. Lethal Cosmetics is out of Berlin, Germany. And I've heard a lot of YouTubers, just beauty YouTubers, go on about how the quality of their eyeshadows, just go on. And then I'm thinking, wow, they've got that mystery bundle for $33, and I think I have a smaller one. They have two sizes. There's a $33 and a $20-something, I think. And I'm like, I'm going to buy that mystery bundle. And then I'm like, wait. My gut's like, hold up. I don't think you ought to be buying those mystery bundles. Why don't we just not buy them? So I'd already made my New Year's resolution, and I'm like, okay, my gut's telling me not to buy these mystery bundles. Okay, I won't. So I go online on YouTube and I find a couple of unboxings of these mystery bundles, and my gut was right. In the large one, there is a gel eyeliner that's a mustard yellow, and the two people I saw, theirs was dried up. There was eyeshadow colors that I am not going to use. There was just so many things. There was a highlighter that was too dark for my skin tone. There was just so many things that I'm like, thank you for my gut for not letting me buy those two mystery bundles. I would not have been happy. I would have just been throwing them money. So that's technically my main resolution for the year. Listen to my gut. But then I have 5 makeup resolutions that I've come up with. I sat and thought. I said, I want to try to come up with 5. One, and these are in no particular order. These are not in any order. One, I want to line my lips more often. I've gotten away from actually using lip liner and eyeliner. Well, let's just make them both. Eyeliner, lip liner. I've gotten away from using them, and I really need to. If you use a lip liner, your makeup just looks so much neater, on your lips. It just looks more polished, maybe is the word I'm looking for. So I plan to use more lip liners. Now, I'm not sure if I brought a lip liner with me, but I have recently inquired 3. I don't know if I'm getting any more, but I have inquired 3 lip liners, and so definitely gonna be lining my lips. Number 2, Don't be afraid to use my makeup. What I mean is I am so bad to buy an expensive piece of makeup and then be afraid to use it, and then it'll go bad. I just bought that Pat McGrath Mothership palette. I'm going to use it. I need to use my products, not be afraid to use them because I spent a lot of money on them. So that's my second resolution. 3, try colors I usually would not use. Like in some of my palettes, I'm just going to grab a palette right here. The Gemini 2 palette. I would do more of these greens because I don't normally do greens. Maybe more mustard colors, not as an eyeliner, no, but maybe try to incorporate some colors I normally would not gravitate towards. Let's try to incorporate them in with my makeup, and maybe I might like it. And then, you know what? Maybe I don't. I just wash it off. No big deal. Next, I'm going to try new makeup trends. You know, it's going around that cold girl look. At first I thought, stupid. But you know what? I'm going to be filming that probably sometime next week, and I'll get it up. I just want to try it. Why not? We're here to have fun, to play with makeup, to learn about makeup. So let's do a cold girl look, because why not? And then this last one, I've told myself I want to do this, never as a resolution, but I've told myself I need to do this. I need to master a winged liner. I am not a winged liner gal. Back in my day, all those years ago when I worked for Estee Lauder, we didn't do wing liners. I wasn't taught a wing liner. We didn't do them. And I just never got into doing a wing liner. I wanted to start doing I start to make a wing and then it gets huge. I don't want huge wing liners. I want small wing liners. I need to practice. So my goal is to this year perfect a wing liner. Now I have all year to work on it. It's nothing I need to perfect here in the next week. No, but I do want to start working on, see if I can't do a wing liner. All I have with me is a gel black right now and no brush to use, but I got to decide, do I want to buy a liner? Do I want to buy a brush? I probably end up doing that, but we'll see. So anyway, that is my 5+ makeup resolutions for 2023. So guys, thanks for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe, come and hang out with me. With the subscribers I have, I am really close friends with my subscribers. We email, we talk in social media. They've become really, really good friends. I've got more than you can count on 2 hands, and I love it. And these are ladies and gentlemen I am extremely close to. I call my friends, not subscribers. And so I'm always looking for more friends. So I would love it if you would subscribe. Guys, any questions or comments, if you have got any makeup resolutions you want to come up with, let me know down below. I'd appreciate it. So guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.